Number 5. The Bella Pro 4.2 QT Air Fryer is a kitchen appliance that uses hot air to cook food in a healthier and more efficient way than traditional frying. With a capacity of 4.2 quarts, it is perfect for cooking meals for small to medium-sized families. The air fryer uses a high-powered fan to circulate hot air around the food, cooking it evenly and quickly. The Bella Pro 4.2 QT air fryer has multiple functions, including air frying, roasting, grilling, and baking. It also features a digital display with easy-to-use controls, allowing you to set the temperature and cooking time for your food. The removable basket and non-stick surface make it easy to clean after use. One of the benefits of using an air fryer is that it can cook food with little to no oil, making it a healthier alternative to traditional frying. It can also help reduce the amount of time spent in the kitchen, as it cooks food faster than a conventional oven. Overall, the Bella Pro 4.2 QT air fryer is a versatile and convenient kitchen appliance that can help you prepare delicious, healthy meals with ease. Number 4. Ninja SP100 Foodi 6-in-1 Digital Air Fry Oven. The Ninja SP100 Foodi 6-in-1 Digital Air Fry Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines 6 functions in one: air fry, roast, broil, bake, dehydrate, and reheat. With a capacity of 0.8 cubic feet, it can accommodate up to 4 slices of bread or a 12-inch pizza, making it suitable for small to medium-sized families. The digital control panel and easy-to-read LED display make it simple to select the desired cooking function, temperature, and time. The oven also features a wide temperature range, allowing you to cook a variety of foods at temperatures ranging from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The Ninja SP100 Foodi 6-in-1 Digital Air Fry Oven uses hot air to circulate around the food, ensuring even cooking and a crispy exterior without the need for oil. The oven also comes with a range of accessories, including a baking pan, air fryer basket, and crumb tray, making it a versatile kitchen tool for a range of cooking needs. Overall, the Ninja SP100 Foodi 6-in-1 Digital Air Fry Oven is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that can help you cook a wide range of delicious and healthy meals with ease. Its 6 functions and included accessories make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Number 3. Lite 4-Quart Smart Air Fryer. The Lite 4-Quart Smart Air Fryer is a kitchen appliance that uses hot air to cook food in a healthier and more efficient way than traditional frying. With a capacity of 4 quarts, it can accommodate meals for small to medium-sized families. It features a digital touchscreen with 11 preset cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and more. The air fryer also comes with a companion app that allows you to control the air fryer remotely, providing more convenience for your cooking experience. The app provides access to more than 100 original recipes, allowing you to expand your culinary horizons and explore new dishes. This method of cooking reduces the amount of oil required, making it a healthier alternative to traditional frying. Number 2. Black & Decker Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Black & Decker Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the functions of an air fryer and a toaster oven in one. With a capacity of 0.6 cubic feet, it can accommodate up to 6 slices of bread or a 12-inch pizza, making it suitable for small to medium-sized families. The air fryer toaster oven features multiple functions, including air fry, bake, broil, toast, and keep warm. It also has a large digital display and easy-to-use controls, allowing you to adjust the temperature and cooking time for your food. The oven's convection fan circulates hot air around the food, ensuring even cooking and a crispy exterior without the need for oil. The Black & Decker Air Fryer Toaster Oven comes with multiple accessories, including an air fry basket, bake pan, and crumb tray, making it a versatile kitchen tool for a range of cooking needs. Number 1. PowerXL Air Fryer Oven. The PowerXL Air Fryer Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the functions of an air fryer, toaster oven, and dehydrator. With a capacity of 6 quarts, it can accommodate a wide range of food items, making it suitable for families of all sizes. The air fryer oven features multiple functions, including air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, and broil, among others. It also has a digital touchscreen with easy-to-use controls that allow you to adjust the temperature and cooking time for your food. The oven's rapid air technology circulates hot air around the food, ensuring even cooking and a crispy exterior without the need for oil. The Power XL air fryer oven comes with multiple accessories, including an air fry basket, baking tray, and drip tray, making it a versatile kitchen tool for a range of cooking needs.